Now let's push out towards our day 3 risk. You can see this encompasses portions of, so this would be Friday, portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, southwestern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas. As we move forward in time here, let's get into Friday. These storms start to initiate a little bit earlier than they will today or Thursday. You can see we're starting to get some storms firing off potentially as early as 2 to 3 p.m. Central Time across portions of north central Oklahoma, south central Kansas, and then you really see those storms ignite as we get into around 4 to 5 p.m. Central Time. Again, this likely won't come with too much of a tornado threat. I do think we'll have a wind and hail threat on this, but we will have to watch out. This is kind of at the tail end of a front. You can get some rotation, some vorticity along the tail ends of a frontal boundary like this. So we'll have to watch out again through portions of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and potentially even southeastern Colorado and the panhandle of Texas. And this threat may last all the way through really into Friday night, going into Saturday morning. You will see at the end of this run here, strong to severe thunderstorms potentially beginning to fire off in New Mexico, pushing off into the north-northeast. So this would be Saturday, and this is definitely when things start to look a little bit more severe. You get that 850 millibar beginning to transfer that moisture and that instability from the Pacific and the Gulf, and you get that southwesterly cross flow from our 500 millibar jet. So this is when you get more of a typical dangerous severe setup. We're going to be watching this region out here. Again, if we go and take a look at our day 4, Texas, Oklahoma, I think this threat will probably expand a little bit further north into Kansas. Again, this is our Saturday threat. And then if we take a look at our Sunday threat, it moves a little bit further east. We can go a little bit further out into our day 6. This expands Texas all the way up into the upper Midwest. Again, I do think that this may expand out, may broaden and expand north a little bit more as well. Getting into day 7, Dixie Alley threat. So a lot to look at ahead.